I had a dream come true about 8 years ago. For the longest time, I had wanted to feel what it felt like to pitch products on QVC. 24 hours later, I got a one-word rejection email, pass. No, thank you for sending your tape, Mr. Davis. No, this is what you should work on, just pass. So I'm thinking, clearly somebody can't spot talent. I'll have to do something different. So I go back to the green room, the numbers are still spinning. Thousands are still flying out the door, even after the segment's over. People are emailing in, we love this guy, we love this guy. We want to see more of him. I'm like, I have done it now. They saw me, they love me, I've got a call. My life is going to change forever. I'm going to be so happy. Which is what all of us want. We just want to be happy. And polls around the world, when people are asked what they want most out of life, at the top of the list is happiness. I have been doing lots of training for the last 20 years. I speak on diversity and inclusion and culture. I also speak on happiness and positivity, which is part of resilience, which is what you're going to experience today. So my first default is to go to science. I go to research. So I hired a psychologist out in California who specializes in positivity, and she scoured research articles from around the world. And then I interviewed a bunch of people that I knew that had rough times in their lives and came through on the other side with some level of happiness and optimism. And so I grabbed all that data. And then I sat down and thought about, how do I move through the world? How do I think about these setbacks? Because I feel like I'm one of the most positive people that I know, and I work at it. And so these are the 4 areas that we're going to be covering. 4 ways to be more positively resilient, 4 strategies, 4 ideas, with whatever language that will work for you. When people exhibit traits of resilience, they have higher levels of life satisfaction. They have higher levels of life satisfaction. Folks, that is everything. That is everything. That is why we're here on the planet. Positive emotions simply expand our ideas of what's possible. It opens our awareness to a wider range of thoughts and actions. It opens our minds and our hearts to help us be more receptive, more creative. So to give me the feeling of the dream job, while I do the real job, we're going to play a game. There's going to be one winner. The rest of you are going to be losers. So you're going to need some resilience training to help you recover. All right? I want you to be as in love with yourself as you are other people. And when you show up in the world happy, I guarantee you, you're inspiring other people to be happy as well. Take care of yourself. Absolutely. Thank you. Here we go. Heads! I love it. Y'all are so good.